Hey there, people. Well, I guess we're going scrapping today. Just gotta unload the boat. Yeah, we got idiots in the back too here. The front's steady Pink Floyd, the back's steady fucking country. They listen to the same tunes over and over and over. Anyway, enough whining. Let's get that unloaded and go scrapping. Well, I got my first piece of scrap for today. Let's try to go get some. I spy with my little eye a fridge. Hey. Well, there we go. That's something. Let's go find some more. Well, this guy here, he lives on my street. He sells those Chinese bikes or whatever they are. And he keeps the steel frames for me. But that I can leave till Monday, so I'll leave that. And I got another neighbor up the street. He says he's got some goodies for me, so let's go see what he's got. Looks like a bit of aluminum. Some aluminum back there. And some steel shit. Let's grab it. Well, there's what I got for today. Could be better, but whatever. Really, eh? Really? Okay, well, let's go and have a beer. Or maybe we'll have a barbecue. Yeah, let's have a barbecue instead. Well, before any great barbecue, of course, you need a good beer. I should say before, during, and after a barbecue, you need beer. Okay, let's get the charcoal on. Well, it looks like she's ready to go. Alright, we got our green things. I put a little fresh garlic in there. We're going to put some of this shit on it. Alright, now we're going to throw on these nice pork chops. These I've been marinating these for 4 hours or so. And feels like I'm doing a Paul Newman friggin' commercial. Balsamic. And there it is. Done pigging out, and that was awesome. Well, somebody was asking me if I do copper and shit for scrapping. Yeah. Show you in a sec. Yeah, I pretty much cut out all the copper of like all the appliances and shit. Well, I got some more in there. Show you in a sec. Okay, here's my little collection of copper. There's all kinds of copper in there. Been saving for a while. Gotta get that strip and bring that back to the fucking scrapyard. Couple bucks in there, it's fucking pretty damn heavy. Winter stash of junk. Should show you guys my collection of this shit one day. Got all kinds of Molson Canadian stuff. All kinds of just Molson Canadian caps pretty much in there. Got more buckets somewhere else. Demolition Derby trophies. Haven't been in here for a while. More caps, more Molson shit. Old video games. Bike. Why am I telling you guys this? Mr. and Mrs. Molson Canadian. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, mister. Very nice. Look, I'm gonna have to kill my buddy. My buddy's on my buddy. Better not scratch it. The worst thing to do when a cat's on your vehicle like that, JJ, is not to let him do that. That was scary, buddy. Please get off my truck. See, if I snap on him, he's gonna end up scratching it. So if you just let him do it, he won't scratch. Well, that was my day. Thanks a lot for watching, people. Should be a good weekend there. We're gonna hit the bush. But anyway, cheers. I love yous all.